Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfe from our Half Acre Homestead. And yes, my wood stove box is not built yet. My oven is not built yet for my wood stove. But we're going to bake a casserole in a Dutch oven today on the wood stove. Okay, so here's what we got for our wood stove chicken cordon bleu, and it's also a pantry pull meal. Try and fit that all in the title. I have some cooked rigatoni. I usually use macaroni, but rigatoni was on sale, so it was on sale for I think $1.29 a bag. So we got rigatoni, celery, zucchini, chicken, cream of chicken soup, mushrooms, onions, ham, and chicken. I'm not adding breadcrumbs, but I will add cheese on the top. So first things first, I'm going to spray my casserole dish with avocado oil. You can butter it, you do whatever you want to do. I also spray a little bit on the noodles when I first rinse them to keep them from sticking together. And in here, I'm going to put our cream of chicken soup, our zucchini, added vitamins and minerals that nobody sees, onions. So you see, onions, zucchini, celery, and mushrooms. A lot of vegetables. Whoa, that's a lot of, oops, that's a lot of celery. But there's a lot of vegetables that you're not going to see, except for that celery. Holy smokes. Let's get this all mixed up in here. And now I'm going to mix my noodles. And you just kind of want to fold in this stuff because you're only going to be putting it in half at a time. So I'm going to put a good portion of this in here and save a little bit for the top. And now I'm going to throw in, this is the last of the cubed ham from Christmas. In there like that. And I'm just going to chunk up our chicken here. This is we had a roast chicken on the weekend. So this is actually my second meal of this chicken. There we go. Now we're just going to put the rest of most of the soup is in the bottom because I mixed it in the pot. We want it to cook down over top of the noodles and the meat. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm just gonna slice. Yeah, I don't have Swiss cheese, folks. Okay, I don't have Swiss cheese. I have some Monterey Jack, but it's not open yet, so we're just going to use what we have, which is marble cheese. And I'm chipping this little hunk all over top. I want to make sure this is all pushed down. I've covered this in tin foil. See, we're covering this in tin foil. And let's get it over to the wood stove. Now here is my Dutch oven. And it's throwing a lot of heat. And I have a wire rack in the bottom to put my thing on. I've got to shut the camera off because I need both hands for this. I get this lid on quick. There's a wire rack in the bottom to keep it off the bottom. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's going to cook till Howie gets home. This probably could have used another hour or my oven box. Let's pepper this and take it to Papa. Here is dinner. Now this Not made with Swiss cheese and breadcrumbs, but this is a, hey you! This is chicken cordon bleu casserole made on the wood stove.
Smells good.
Well, it could have cooked a little bit longer to get a crusty top, but it's all cooked.
All cooked. Tastes as good as it smells.
Awesome.
Too hot for Gracie.
Too hot for Gracie. Blow on a piece for her.
I don't know, gee. Might be.
Oh, yum, 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 yums. Finger looking good, was it?
Very good.
Awesome. Thanks, baby. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our hat. Yeah, I know my ears don't match my shirt. It's been a day. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, and that could have done it a little bit longer. If you're going to cook on your wood stove like this in a Dutch oven, make it for, you know, double the time you're supposed to cook it, sometimes even triple the time. But when Howie gets my oven box done, we'll see a whole different story. I hope. Pantry pull, cordon bleu, wood stove top dinner. There you have it. Gracie and Papa approved. Mwah! Take care, God bless.